So here's Bible Chat app daily devotional. Number one app for biblical answers. Draw closer to God, study the Bible, solve life challenges, ask questions, and get instant personalized biblical answers. Engage with scripture through the New King James Version. And there are some study plans. Deepen your relationship with God. Immerse in a daily renewal with Bible studies, personal prayers, and vibrant discussions, all grounded in Baptist tradition and scripture focus. Introducing daily prayer widgets with Bible chat. So also you can use widgets. So widgets offer personalized prayers and scripture tailored to your spiritual journey, making faith an integral part of your daily routine. Dive deeper into scripture and embark on transformative journey with Bible chat. So daily companion, language inclusivity, pleasing interface. So Bible study plans, Bible versions galore, Bible trivia, verse locator. So this app is the most advanced kind of Bible chat app, with the help of all these new technologies, with help of ChatGPT and so on. They're just using this kind of API to make learning Bible easier. So here's how it looks like. What's your relationship with God today? You just select it like this, and then you just select, and then you just see some daily proverb, and then you can see your progress today, and then there is personalized devotional. You can share it, and then there is prayer over the day, and then here it is, and then you have also like kind of streaks here which you follow and stay on path each day to bring you closer to your faith journey. So each day you can set up these reminders, and so that's basically the idea, which you can select here. So you just select the reminders every day, and then you have your daily plan, which you can do. So there is progress. So there is a spiritual journal, which you can go in here, and this is what you answered. Then there is your verse, again, this is all the things you just did. So it's like 5 minutes per day. You can get notifications and do it every day. Then there is a chat where you can just start a new chat, heal my pain, personalized devotionals, create my own prayer, all kinds of things. So for example, you can just ask about all of these things, like for example, you just can ask all the different questions you have, and then basically this kind of chat interface, you will have answers like that, similar as in ChatGPT, all these apps. Then you can just make the font bigger. For example, you can see some settings, answer lengths. You can personalize it very well, answer complexity, tone of voice, and then you can reset to default. You can also make it that it's being read somehow. I don't know. So you can do that. So then you can see a history. You can again start a new question. Then there is just the Bible itself, which you can read, and you can just go through different chapters and search all the things and try to explain it, ask questions about this specific paragraph in the Bible, and then you can just study. You can study all the different things. Like, so for example, here is some course which you can just go or listen or just start the plan. And you can also create a reminder. So every day you can just do some little course, and it's like all kinds of topics, like emotional intelligence, healing the wounds of, healing recovery from, wisdom from Proverbs, all kinds of things where you can study or just read. There are 1 month reading plan, 3 months reading, 6 months reading, where you can just go and have all of the plan designed for you. So quite advanced app in here. So you can just see and discover this app And yeah, you have really high reviews, 127,000 ratings so far. Great app, so people liking this app. So yeah, that's basically the idea.